Run to me, I
I hope this is filming it. I hope the GoPro is as tough as the Traxxas. And I hope if there is any residual dog crap on this surface, it gets washed off and sanitized and not taken into my apartment, because I will be so pissed at myself. It's not raining anymore. Ow! I thought I was a thing there. A lift. You don't hit it. Oh, be embarrassed. A couple more seconds. And then that'll be it. I wanted to rinse it off, but well, it can't hurt anyone's car, but it can crush mine. That should be it.